Gilana. Gilana is more painful. Yeah, imagine that. Oh. You want Grandma make duyan for your baby doll? Grandma can make duyan. That's duyan?
No, that's cover. No, this one do that. Here, I'll make you do it.
Yung maliit na lampin, ah. Yeah, you want duyan? Doon no, may kahoy doon no. No, there's the duyan, the yellow one.
Chair.
That one duyan. Ni. Ate don't make duyan. Oh, wow. You want a bigger one? Okay, Grandma can make you a duyan. That one? Okay. There's the small blankie. You make you one. A small blankie, Gilana. Ito, there's a rope. Ito na yung white rope niya. Hindi, di ba may duyan na blankie yung kulay pink? Hindi yan, ah. Not that one. It's hard. No. There's better one, Gilana. Ouch. Grabe guys. Dito na apoy ni. Grabe ang apoy. Oh shoot, grabe ang apoy. Yung may duyan na malita na ganyan. Yung maliit na half na lampin. Di ba mayroon? Mayroon siya, yung pink. Alam ni Mother na sa ilalim ng kama. Nasa ilalim ng kama, tangik. Oh, yan nga, yan pala yan. Labig. Palaki ng palaki. Ayan ni Rope ni. Lahat ilalagay niya. In your backpack. Why don't you just put it in your backpack?
Let me see. Come here. Give me the scooter.
Oh.